Okay, everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make board bench in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can start from here. So then we can set the height of this bench around 500 approximately. So and then we can drag to the another side. We can set with 1500 millimeter, for example. Okay, so you can push it up around 30 millimeter for the top bench thickness. Okay, so we have to make it group anyway. Then we have to move it to the upper position around 500 millimeter. So we can make another support in this bottom of the support. We can use the rotated rectangle over there. So then we can place on the midpoint of the group. Then we can drag to the forward around 30 millimeter. So if we have to push it down, we have to push it down anyway until maybe around 200 millimeter only. So then we can just make it group also. And after that, we can make the sloping board in here to make a supporting board, supporting bench anyway. We can use the rotated rectangle over there. We can start from here and you can place on this position. So then we can set the thickness around 50 millimeter, for example. So then we have to push it forward and push it to the behind of this object anyway. Then you can see what it. We have to select this supporting horizontal board, and then we have to move and place on the midpoint of this top bench itself anyway. So and then we have to make it group anyway for this left side support, and then we have to rotate it. Okay, we have to rotate it through the right axis, so then we can make the sloping of this supporting bench anyway. So then we have to make the perfect connection between the supporting bench and the top bench itself anyway. So you can look at this, just something like this, and then we can move it to the another position as we want anyway, as proportional as possible. We can see this, so then we can explode it. I'm sorry, we have to right click and explode. Then we have to make group again, so we can make it component, and then we can move duplicate, and we can easily to flip it along with green axis, just like this. So then we can just only move it to the right side position, and we can just select all of this board bench. Then we just can assign with another material. We can use this anyway. I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video, and maybe we can make it flat, make the bottoms of the support to be flat, to make sure that it could be standing in the top of the floor anyway, just something like this. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.